wonder how many cows it takes to fill that damn truck up. And looking at the price of a gallon of milk, that's a lot of money going down the street right there. Guess they're gonna let it drain out completely, or drain out as much as they can, and then they'll try to pull it and pick it back up. Just want to give you a further update. The wrecked milk truck here in Winston, Salem. For those people that are trying to get home, traffic is going to be a nightmare for probably the rest of the evening. So, good luck in rush hour. If you want to help it out, look at it on my channel. Spread this to your friends. Same token, to avoid, issues and onlooker delay. Keep it moving on the highway. We got Fulps hazmat recovery out here. They'll use that to get up any contaminated soil, like diesel fuel and stuff like that. We have Fulps Environmental Services here. They also have hazardous material cleanup. Although I don't think the milk will be very hazardous. There's probably some other things in the truck that need to be cleaned up off the ground. Okay.